it's gonna be right there. Snuggles, get in the house! There comes the rain! Whoa! Chris, we might got one! A tornado on the ground! Just watch right there, yeah, just watch right there and shit. You might see it. That feels great! Guys, there might be a tornado, guys. Fucking happy got this shit. That feels good! That feels great! Woo! That feels great, Chris, does it not? A little bit of lightning, but okay, that'll work. The circulation right there. Yeah, it is. Like right there, you can see it. But something happened right now. Guys, might be a tornado. Sweetwater. They're still rotating, but nothing's happening right now. It might be F2 tornado. Colton, you hear me? It might be an F2 or F3.
Nope, it's not here. And it hits right here and destroys this house, and we get a new one.
I know, right? I'll be fine, and I know what to do in this shit.